Hello everyone, today we are making chicken and green bean stir fry. This is another quick and easy recipe you love. The chicken is tender with a light golden sear, and the green beans are coated in a flavorful savory sauce. If you are a big fan of green beans, be sure to check out our garlic green beans and pork green beans recipes as well. Let's start with the green beans. Trim the ends off the green beans and cut them in half. Then prepare half an onion, cut it into bite-sized pieces, and separate the layers. We'll also need 3 slices of ginger. For the garlic, we are using 5 cloves of garlic. Lightly crush 2 cloves and mince the remaining 3, as we'll be using them at different stages of cooking. Now let's move on to the chicken. I'm using chicken breast today. Slice the chicken breast into thin pieces. You can use chicken thighs too if you prefer. Then marinate the chicken with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, a pinch of white pepper, a little bit baking soda. Give them a good mix. Then add the cornstarch slurry mix again till everything is well combined. Finish with a tablespoon of oil and mix one more time. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's make a simple sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, and a half a teaspoon of sugar. Give it a good mix. Now let's cook the green beans. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the ginger and crushed garlic, stir fry till fragrant. Add a little bit of salt and sugar. Then add the green beans. Stir fry for about a minute. If needed, add a splash of chicken broth. Once the broth has evaporated, let the green beans sit for a few seconds, then continue stir frying till they are lightly blistered. Add the onion and stir fry for another 20 seconds. Transfer everything to a plate and set aside. Finally, let's cook the chicken. Heat a little bit more oil in the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and spread it into a single layer. Let it sear for a moment till the bottom is lightly golden. If you prefer extra tender chicken, add the stir-fry sauce as soon as the chicken is just cooked through. I like lightly golden, slightly crisp edges, so I cooked a little longer. Add the minced garlic and stir-fry till fragrant. Pour in the stir-fry sauce and mix well. If you like a little more sauce, add a splash of chicken broth here. Turn off the heat, return the green beans and onion, and toss everything together till well combined. And that's it. Tender chicken, flavorful green beans, and a rich savory sauce come together in one simple delicious meal. If you have ever tried Panda Express string bean chicken, we'd love for you to give this recipe a try and let us know which one you like better. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.